Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will learn how to add TikTok Shop into your TikTok profile. So all you have to do is go to your mobile phone or your TikTok Shop application or TikTok account rather. And here at your regular TikTok account, all you have to do is go to the lower right corner of the screen and click on Profile. Here you can see that my TikTok account already has my TikTok Shop informations or details. It already indicates that I have a TikTok Shop. In order for you to have your account like this, click on the three bars menu and go to your settings and privacy. From here, click on account, and here you'll be able to see switch to personal or a business account. Since I already am in a business account, it prompts me to have a personal account, but no worries, I'll show you how it would look like if I haven't clicked on a business account yet. So once you click on switch on business account, this is what will prompt you. You will need to choose a category on what your business account is for. And then you can just skip the step. You can do the bio later on and just click on not now. And then here you're all set with your profile with the TikTok Shop added into your TikTok profile. And before you do anything or any process like this, you need to make sure that you also downloaded the TikTok Seller Center application. Once you've downloaded that application, it would actually allow you to set up your own TikTok Shop account, and there's no need for you to have 1,000 followers. All you have to do is just fill out the details and provide the documents that they are asking for, and you just need to wait for about 48 hours until it will be fully loaded. And that's basically it. That's how you will be able to add TikTok Shop into your TikTok Shop profile. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye!